Hi friends, again welcome to UNS classes. We are again back with another previous year question. Let's see what the question is all about. Now, here the question is match the following. So, let's see what's on the left hand side and what's on the right hand side. So, on the left hand side, it has given that they have four options PQRS. Let's see what the options are. Cells with active cell division capacity. Q, the second option is tissue having all cells similar in structure, tissue and function. Third option is tissue having different types of cells, and the last option is dead cells with highly thickened walls and narrow lumen. And on the right hand side we can see another four options. They are vascular tissue, meristematic, sclereids and simple tissue. So what this all about? These all are about different types of tissues, right? They are speaking about the tissues present in plants, right? So as usual, we'll go little about learn little about each options and come to the answer. So let's see what is it. We can learn the four options given on the right hand side. So next is vascular tissue. What is vascular tissue? Vascular tissue is nothing but a complex conducting tissue. They are what they are? They are the complex conducting tissue formed of more than one cell type, and usually the vascular tissue seen in plants are xylem and phloem, and their function is to transport fluid and nutrients internally. So vascular tissues are nothing but complex tissues containing more than one type of cells. Now, meristematic tissue. Meristematic tissue is naturally seen on the tips or the apical region of the plants, right? So, meristematic cells are the formative plant tissues usually made up of small cells capable of dividing indefinitely. See, they are capable of dividing indefinitely and giving rise to similar cells or cells that differentiate to produce definitive tissues and organs, right? Now, the third option was sclereids. Sclereids is nothing but a reduced form of sclerenchyma cells, and they are highly thickened, lignified. Why they are thickened and lignified? Because their function is to give mechanical support and protection to the plant. And they are, in most plants, they are non-living cells. So, they are non-living cells. They have highly thickened, lignified cellular walls, and their function is to give mechanical support to the plant. And sclereids are nothing but the reduced form of sclerenchyma cells. And the final option was simple tissue. What do you mean by simple tissue? Simple tissues are nothing but, as the name suggests, they are simple. They are a group of cells having common origin and usually performing common function. Right, in plants, the simple tissues either may be parenchyma, collenchyma or sclerenchyma. Now, we have learned about each four options given on the right hand side and we know their characters. So, let's go back to the question. Here, the question, in the question first, see, vascular tissue, we know that it's a, what is this? It is a complex tissue, right? Meristematic tissue is nothing but they can divide indefinitely, right? They have the ability to divide indefinitely. And sclereids are reduced form of sclerenchyma and they give mechanical support to the plant. And finally was the simple tissue. Simple tissues are group of same cells having same function, right? Now, we can see the options given on the left hand side. Here, the cells with active cell division capacity. Which kind of tissue have the active cell division capacity? We know that it's meristematic. So, P with second option, meristematic. Now, finally, tissue having all cells similar in structure, tissue and function. Which are they? Simple tissues, right? They are similar in structure and similar in function. So, Q with the option 4. Now, tissue having different type of cells. Tissue having different type of cells. We have learned about vascular tissue, which are also known as complex tissue, having different kinds of cells with them. That is, in case of plant, we can say that xylem and phloem combine together to form the vascular tissue. So, we can give the option 1 to R. And finally, dead cells with highly thickened walls and narrow lumen. Which was the dead cell? We have learned Sclereids, reduced form of sclerenchyma, mostly dead in all plants, lignified walls to give mechanical support. The option 3 to S. Right. So you can find out the answer. P2 option is coming in this, then 4, 1 and 3. So here the correct option is B, that is cells with active division is meristematic tissue having cells similar kind of structure and function is simple tissue, and tissue having different types of cells are vascular tissues, or they are also known as complex tissues. And finally dead cells. Dead cells are mostly sclerenchymatous cells which give mechanical support. Hope you got the concept and the answer. Happy learning. See you in the next video. Bye.